This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need Face ID setup and a recent iOS version. That lets Safari autofill securely. First, open Settings and go straight to Passwords. Authenticate with Face ID so you can manage entries. Once done, navigate to Settings, Safari Autofill, and enable names and passwords. This step tells Safari to offer credentials. Make sure your device is unlocked with Face ID whenever Safari prompts. Otherwise, you'll see a manual password entry prompt instead of a one-tap fill. You're on a site in Safari. Tap the username or password field and watch for Safari's suggestion banner. When it appears, Face ID will prompt. Glance at your device to authenticate immediately because this confirms it's you and prevents phishing. Once Face ID verifies, tap the suggested credential and Safari fills both fields automatically. Some sites allow auto-submit, while others need you to tap Sign In. If you have multiple accounts, pick the correct one from the suggestion list before authenticating. Finish by adding or updating credentials in Settings Passwords so future fills are accurate. If Face ID won't pop up, make sure Face ID works elsewhere. Then go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode and toggle passwords permission off and back on, or reboot the device. This often fixes the handshake between Face ID and Safari. If Safari offers the wrong account, remove or edit that entry. Finally, you can disable auto fill per site in Safari if a site blocks secure fills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.